Want to learn how to remove bad smells from towels quickly? Watch this video to learn how. After a few days of use, towels end up with a humid, unpleasant smell. It is important to never leave your towels in the bathroom after showering, where they will take longer to dry because of humidity, facilitating the buildup of germs and dirt. Try leaving them in a dry, fresh place, preferably under the sun, to ensure your towels are completely dry. It will avoid the proliferation of fungi and bacteria that cause bad smells. Let's learn 3 recipes that can help you eliminate bad smells from your towels. White vinegar and baking soda. This is one of the best alternatives to get rid of any funky smell of your towels. It easily penetrates the fabrics, eliminating dirt, bacteria, mold, and microorganisms that can cause infections and unpleasant smells. You will need the following ingredients: 1 cup white vinegar, half a cup baking soda, hot water. Put your towels inside the washing machine and add enough hot water to cover them. Then add the white vinegar and do a wash cycle as usual. After that, add hot water again, add the baking soda, and finish the washing process as usual. Your towels will come out clean and odorless. Lemon juice. Due to the high citrus concentration of lemons, they are excellent whiteners and disinfectants for all kinds of clothes. And it's not different with towels. Limic's acidic aroma will get rid of any bad smells. You will need 4 cups hot water, half a cup lemon juice, freshly squeezed. In a bucket, put all the hot water and lemon juice. Let your towels soak in there for 40 minutes. Then wash the towels as usual. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. To avoid weird smells, bacteria, and mold, you should wash your towels regularly, at least once a week. Many people keep their towels in drawers. Instead, try ironing your towels before putting them away. The heat from the iron helps eliminate bacteria, working as a double protection for your family. Keep a special place for towels in your wardrobe. They aren't like other pieces of clothing and require more attention since they are constantly touching your body. If you use the same towel for days on end, it's time to reconsider it. As thorough as your hygiene is, you can hardly eliminate all bacteria from your skin, and those remaining will end up on your towel. Learning tricks to get rid of bad smells is important, but it is even more important to keep them always clean and disinfected. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.